So I want to be really clear with those of you who are struggling to learn to code that it's almost never an issue of not being good enough, not being smart enough, not being good at math, none of that. The reason people struggle to code is because they don't have the right process. And believe me, this is not just specific to code, whether it's guitaring, music, walking, playing golf. If you don't have the right process, you're not going to get the right outcomes, and then you're going to blame yourself. Whether it's golf, tennis, it doesn't matter. Process is highly specific to you. So process always beats everything else. You focus on the right process and then it automatically takes you to the result you want in the context of learning to code. You focus on the right process and automatically you start stacking the right skills in the right order. Now, when I work with my students and I give them their custom coding plans, I tell them, do not start it until I'm done with you. And usually it takes about 8 weeks. Do not start on it because for the next few weeks, we're going to focus on getting your process right. Then you will learn to code, because if I give you the learning to code plan without the process, you're not going to succeed. That's just how it is. Process trumps everything.